Mashay is a mobile app. We help people find, book and share the most unique group experiences. So I came back from traveling and I got back in my daily grind of going to the same events and places with my mates, which was great, but I lost that kind of adventure and experience that you have when you're traveling, where you're constantly meeting new people. I wanted to change that and make it easy for people to challenge the status quo when they're at home, find activities and meet new people. The experiences we have on our platform, you won't find anywhere else. We help groups work out what their common interests are. You form a group on the app, it works out what your common likes are, and then based on that, we put forward personalized suggestions to your group. And then finally, we allow other groups to match and meet. So you can put forward an event, other groups can see that event, join your group. It's a social way of exploring a city, but also meeting people with similar interests. So we have 42 vendors that we've partnered with. These are quite different vendors who typically don't work on booking platforms. And those vendors collectively have over 500 experiences. We've got everything from axe throwing, to gin blending, to kombucha making, to donut baking, to freeform dance. It's a really eclectic group of experiences that you won't find on another platform. For us, it's all about scalability. So being on the cloud allows us to service customers not only here in Sydney, but as we move across the East Coast and across the rest of Australia. Being on the cloud means we can switch that on whenever we like.
Building on the cloud has been important because we know that we want to scale. We want to have a large user base. Being on the cloud is going to enable us to handle millions and millions of concurrent requests once we reach our full potential. Everything's just so easy to configure. Visual Studio integration, being able to get automatic tie-ins with our code repository, automate builds, CI, it's just a couple clicks and it just happens, it just works.
We also know there's going to be challenges moving into different geographies, and the benefit of being on Microsoft is that it's a global business with global teams, and we're looking forward to connecting with those teams as well. Because we're looking at growing quite quickly, we really need a partnership that can scale, and the support of Microsoft in that is going to be invaluable. We know there's a demand for immersive and unique activities. The challenge is a lot of these experience providers don't have great SEO or a digital presence. Mashay is here to get those businesses in front of customers and users and let them share what unique activities they have.